Thank you for playing 20 Questions, episode 12 on this week's episode. Ball song.
Can you do tricks with it? Oh god, no!
Not again.
Can you stab things?
Oh, I'm so angry! Somebody give me a glove! Yes! Somebody give me another glove! Another glove!
No! No, too many gloves! Can you do safety training?
Alright, so guys, basically with butterfly knives, you always want to be really careful because if you're not holding.
No! No! No safety! We don't need safety here! What are you talking about? No safety! Jesus, man!
Can you kill people?
Ah!
Can you rock out?
This to all my fans out there. Freaking love you guys. Ball song guitar. Alright, who threw that bottle at me?
I don't know why she did that, but that really hurt. I'm Justin Bieber. Oh, no, not more bottles. Why so many bottles? I'm Justin Bieber, come on! Why so many bottles?
Hey, it's Al.